Hello, horsey. It's time to see the farm animal. Let's go. Ta-da! Uh-oh. What? Let's go see the farm animal. Let's go see. Oh no. They're not here. Don't worry. Let's go to the farm. We see them in their home. Okay. Let's go. We are in the zoo. Let's go see the farm animals.
Farm animal houses are specific structures that are designed for animal needs. They often include both indoor and outdoor areas to keep them safe and happy.
Let's just start with pigs. Look at the guinea hog. Guinea hog is some kind of pig.
Pig's house is called pen or sty. A pig pen often includes sleeping areas, feeding troughs, and sometimes mud pigs, as pigs enjoy playing in mud to cool off and protect their skin.
Look at the rooster. Look at the rooster. That's the playground.
Chickens and roosters usually live in a structure called a chicken coop. Some chicken houses have outdoor areas where the chickens can walk around, explore, and peck at the ground.
Let's go see the chicken and the rooster inside.
Why do they keep the chicken inside?
Because in the wintertime they really get cold.
A coop is a safe and closed area for chickens to rest, lay eggs, and be protected from predators. Coops usually have nesting boxes for laying eggs, perches for resting, feeding stations for the meal, and secluding walls to keep the chickens safe. So for chickens, it's all about the coop life. The houses for cows, goats, and sheep usually called barn or shed. Inside the barns, they all often separate stalls for each animal. The houses usually have access to open areas for grazing, which means eating. Goats in a barn can have a special area to play and climb. It's like their own little playground.
Look at the playground for the goats. They like milk. Look at the cow.
duck houses are called duck coops, which can be a floating house underwater or a house underground by the water. Duck houses often have nesting areas for laying eggs, water access for swimming, feeding stations, and a safe place for ducks to rest. Ducks also enjoy foraging for food. Overall, duck houses are built to keep our quacky friends safe from predators and severe weather conditions.
Look at the horsey.
Horses usually live in the stable, in the barn. In the stable, they can rest, eat, and get lots of love from their human friends. Horses also have access to pastures or paddocks where they can graze and exercise.
Hello, horsey. Hi, Ducky.
Donkeys live in structures called donkey shelters or stables, like horses. These are designed to provide a safe space for donkeys to rest and stay protected from the weather.
Dogs on a farm, they have a different housing. It's usually called kennels. Dog houses on farms give dogs a safe place to rest, protect the farm, and be with the owners doing different tasks. The bond between a farmer and a dog can be strong and rewarding. Thanks for watching. Click subscribe, share, and like the video.